Hey guys, hello. So today I decided to check on my cabin filter because I just realized that after how many months that I already have the FJ, I have not checked the cabin filter. So I will be doing that real quick, probably taking 2 minutes, and let me show you guys how to do it. So I just finished adding some washer fluid on the FJ. I still have to clean the engine bay at some point. But I just also wanted to give a quick update on the C4 black trim permanent trim restore that I have done. If you guys did not watch that video yet, here is a link to the video. So it is now turning 3 weeks since I did the black trim restore, and it looks like it's still holding up well. They did say that it lasts for up to 2 years, and this is the 3-week update. So everything still looks pretty good. The front still looks pretty good. Overall, still lasting well. Don't think I have to reapply any of it anytime soon. Again, welcome back. My name is Apollo, and I just like documenting my life, adventures, the FJ, and basically anything I think of. So if you are not subscribed yet, I would appreciate you subscribing, and let's go install this new cabin filter. So I just bought the filter off Amazon. I just literally looked up FJ Cruiser cabin filter, and this is what came up. I think it's the Amazon recommendation. So this is what I picked up. Alright guys, I don't know what I'm gonna be getting into, so hopefully it's not that nasty in here, but let me show you how to take off the glove box. So you just want to open the glove box, and normally you should have something like a piston here, or it's a thing. It's like a rod that helps the glove box not just drop like that. It should really have like a suspension to it, so it doesn't drop like that. But we want to push that out here. It just pushes out here, and should be able to take it out of the glove box itself. And then next thing you want to do is push in both sides here. These would like come off, and then you should be able to pull your glove box right out. So it's a little dirty, but like I said, I have never got in here before. Alright, so this is where the cabin filter is. What you want to do is you just want to press here, and it should pull out. And Jesus, that is nasty. So let me make sure I get all of that. God damn, that thing is nasty. I don't even know where this came from, but I am going straight to the dumpster to throw it out. Jeez. Alright, so I just wiped down the housing right here. Now opening this filter that we got from Amazon. There. Comes with instructions, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty self-explanatory. Just putting this in here. Know the fins are up, should go upward. So this is the wording, so it should not be like this. It should be upward, and then it should just slot in the housing. Oh, looks like it's a good fit. It's just that you just need to make sure that they go underneath those tabs. So let me fix these fins real quick. There we go. Looks pretty good to me. And then we will just put this back in. Putting this back in, these feet or tabs should go on here. So you just want to put that on there first. Looks like it's all in there. You just have to push up again. So that is about it for how to replace your cabin filter. And then you just have to put back your piston right here, or the rod, whatever it's called, after that. So quick and easy. If you guys have not checked your cabin filter in a while, make sure you do that. If you have not at all, you definitely have to do it now, just like me. I didn't know where all that fuss came from inside. So that is how to replace your cabin filter in your FJ Cruiser. If you guys enjoyed this type of content and would like to see more of FJ stuff, feel free to subscribe, like the video. I will be doing the mod next for the AC condense pipe and extending it so it doesn't drip on the frame. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, and that will be our next video. Keep innovating and stay hungry. Peace.